Hello, ni hao, da jia hao. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Chap Goh Mei. Okay, today Auntie is going to show you a classic Chinese recipe, rock sugar with pork ribs. So, let's start. Hello friends. Okay, let's start. Auntie want to do this cooking. This is pork, the pork ribs, and this one is 3-layer pork. I already sliced, and the ingredients I'm gonna use rock sugar, of course. This is the main ingredient of this. This one is bay leaf, ginger. This one is 1 bulb of garlic, already sliced, and then shallots, as well as star anise. Rock sugar, I'm gonna put more of this. Let's start do cooking. Come join Auntie, okay? Add a bit oil. Okay, I'm gonna put in the rock sugar. I use the smaller pieces. Okay. And stir fry until this rock sugar dissolve. Slow a bit the flame. Okay. Oops. Wait until it melts, all of it melted. Okay. Takes time to melt this rock sugar until it caramelizes. This is a classic way of cooking pork ribs with rock sugar. The sugar had been caramelized. Okay, I switch on a bit the flame, make it a bit small. Okay. Okay, I put in the pork ribs and all this. and slowly stir it. You see the color, so beautiful. Okay, then bigger flame. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Add in water. Add in some more water. This is not enough. Wait until all the meat fully covered. Okay. And add in all these spices. The ingredients, the garlic, shallot, ginger, and this is bay leaves, as well as star anise. This is how it is. The method we cook these pork ribs, the classic way of cooking. Let all this water will dry off and the meat will slowly cook. Alright, I'm gonna add in this is light sauce, light soy sauce, okay, and thick sauce, camel thick sauce, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's it. This takes time to cook. Let it continue cooking until the soup dries. There'll be no more soup in it, Okay, that's it. Gonna put a bit of black pepper. Okay, this much. Cover it. Let it slowly cook. Start boiling already. Friends, after cooking for about 20 minutes, the soup almost dry off, but still this one continue to cook until it's fully dry. So this is how it is after been cooking for 20 minutes. Stay tuned, guys, with slow flame. If your friends had never tried this before, just follow my recipe. You are able to make it. It's very delicious. This is Chinese way of cooking pork ribs. This is the ending of the pork ribs that I cooked with rock sugar. It's cooked already. See the water dry off, and this is ready to serve. Kena ketam! Crepes, sleeper lobster. Hello friends, this is another recipe that I'm gonna cook. It's a big crepe. Big crepe. This one we caught it using the crepe net. And this one is sleeper lobster. The scale have been removed, the shell have been removed. I'm gonna cook this with the ingredients of this one. This one is garlic, shallot, ginger, lemongrass, and this one is coriander seed. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, put in oil, the cooking oil, not too much. And here goes all these ingredients. Okay, we all cook it together. Okay. As usual, put a bit of salt to enhance the taste, enhance the aroma of the condiments. Welcome to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Okay, put in the crabs. By the way, that's the sound of the firecrackers. Today we are celebrating 10 days of Chinese New Year, Chap Goh Mei. Okay, I add in tomato sauce. That's it. I'm gonna crush the clams. It's too big. I'm gonna crush it. Okay, the clams have been crushed. See, add a little bit of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of aji. Crush one egg. Okay. Okay, add in the egg. And stir. Woohoo! See? The sauce. Yummy! Okay, it's cooked already. Doesn't take long to cook this. Off the flame. That's it.